YouTube and the internet is flooded with AI tools right now. They promise that you can sit back, do 2 clicks, and ta-da! You have 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Well, I hate to break this to you. It honestly is not as easy as that. And over the past year, YouTube has rolled out aggressive enforcement against what it calls mass-produced and inauthentic content. The result, millions of channels wiped out or removed from the YouTube Partner Program. And this means that if you're hoping to create content without actually creating it, good chances are you can't actually make any money from it. I'll link to a full blog post in the comments down below where my team covers the full implications of YouTube policy changes. With all of this in mind, can AI still help you make content? Yes, but not in the way you were thinking. The tool I'm going to recommend for making shorts is Riverside. Now, I love using Riverside. I've been using it for months now, and I just love it. My team is constantly using it as well, and the team at Riverside are innovating and have been kind enough to share a 20% off coupon with my subscribers. Simply use MRC to get 20% off any of their paid plans. Now, you've got 2 options here. Record on your phone and edit in Riverside. You'll see right here, I've recorded on my iPhone, and it's a long clip. In fact, it's about 2 minutes in duration, but no problem, because what I'm going to do, because I'm in the iOS ecosystem, is I'm going to click to share, and I'm going to airdrop it now to my Mac. And you'll see there you go, receiving an airdrop video. It's as easy as that. Sorry, Android users. So I've recorded this long form clip that I want to edit up, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to stitch together. Now it's in my Finder. I can click upload here inside Riverside, and it's a simple case of dragging and dropping the MOV file from my iPhone into Riverside, selecting the number of speakers. Look at that, it's just me there, so I'll upload it. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's moving at the rate of knots from my iPhone, airdropped onto my Mac, and now uploading into Riverside will soon be done. And now Riverside is processing that clip that I recorded raw on my iPhone. It's doing magical things like making AI suggestions, giving me a text-based transcript to work with, and giving me opportunities to cut out pauses and enhance the audio. We'll look at that in just a moment. Okay, look at that, all processed, and now it's taking me into the recording editor. Let's click into edit and get to work on this wonderful short. Okay, so you'll see I've got a text-based editor here, I've got a waveform down here so I can see the audio, and I've also got AI tools such as clicking into videos. I can generate AI B-roll, so let's do that. Let's use Google's VO3 right inside Riverside and say, big subscribe button. I don't know what that's going to look like, but we'll start generating that while we work on other parts of this short editing. So we'll just tap away your media for the moment, let AI do its thing. Now you'll see here there's a bunch of gaps because I recorded this. We can actually scroll through the timeline and see how I've actually moved around as I'm recording this. Look, you'll see I'm at a different spot here and also at different spots all the way through. So this is a nice short, but lots of silence, and silence is not good for short form content. So we'll click up here to the AI tools and we'll go ahead, we'll cut all the pauses out. Now, very important to note, you can choose how much you want to do this. So you can cut 5 pauses, you can remove 6 pauses or 14 pauses. You can choose how aggressive that is. And look down here on the timeline, the AI editor has cut out all those pauses for me. It's great. You can also remove the ums and ahs. And again, we can have smart mode, or we can remove filler words by cutting them from the recording. Smart mode is pretty good because it does a nice transition of any problematic audio in there. And there's 2 suggested fluffy cuts as well, so let's click to review. And I've got my AI assistant here, and I can say right now I messed that up. Yes, my AI producer caught that I messed up a part of my recording. I no longer have to go in and edit things because the Riverside AI editor is here. I just click apply, and look at this, it mutes it out down there. It's gone. Here's another piece. Remove this section to enhance speaker's clarity. So thank you so much for watching. Let's say that again. Yeah, I made another mistake and Riverside knows it. Apply. Boom, done. It's so easy to edit short form content. You really don't need to spend hours. Even though we've done all that editing, we've not actually listened yet to the audio, so let's click the text-based editor and play.
Hello, my name is Mike Russell.
Oh my goodness. One of the things that runs through my DNA is audio, and that iPhone audio is rubbish. Well, no worries. You might not have seen it yet. AI tools, and we've got magic audio. Now, you can see if I hit apply, it's going to do it at 100%, which will make me sound studio quality, but it may be a little bit too much. We can dial it back to the original. Somewhere in between, or maybe 30-40% might give us a nice boost without too much overdoing it. All right, let's play it on 100%.
Hello, my name is Mike Russell.
That's insane. That's like I'm talking into a studio microphone, but it might be a little bit too much. Let's dial it down to 65% and play again.
Hello, my name is Mike.
Still pretty full on, so let's go to 29%, back to hello.
Hello, my name is Mike Russell, and this.
Now you can hear a little bit of the background room reverb there at 29%, so therefore I'm going to dial it back up to 44%.
Hello, my name is Mike Russell, and this.
Wow. Okay, I'm taking that. And I'm using that. Let's switch off Magic Audio completely just to hear what it sounds like without.
Hello, my name is Mike Russell.
And then we'll put Magic Audio back on and we'll have a listen to that audio enhancement.
Hello, my name is Mike Russell.
So there you go. That is incredible. Now, how is that B-roll doing? Over in my media, yes, I seem to have a hand smashing a button. And let's look. I talk about subscribers here and I talk about subscribing. So this would be the perfect place. Again, by the text-based editor, I can just click the word subscribers and then click the B-roll that's generated and boom, it's there. Now it's a bit small. Just click the maximize fill video and boom. Now let's play back from about here.
I'm aiming to increase the amount of subscribers on this channel. So if you do me a favor and subscribe right now, it would.
That was insane. AI generated B-roll. And of course, with Google VO3 that's included inside Riverside, you even get that like audio generated. So you get a little clicky button as well. Super cool. Adds a bit of personality to your short that you're creating. Now, one more thing amongst all these beautiful features, I messed up a little bit here when I said the month. I said we're in the month of October. Actually, I meant to say December. Actually, I mean to say March. Now, that's fine. Maybe I don't want all those corrections and I don't know what I'm trying to say. Let's just play the whole thing.
Month of October. Actually, I meant to say December. Actually, I mean to say March. I don't know what I'm trying to say.
So you see there's like a lot of problems there, but I can just cut this all out. Let's cut this all out. We'll get rid of this by hitting the delete key. It's as simple as that. Let's listen.
Month of October. Then maybe I can point at this.
Brilliant. We've made an edit by using the text-based editor, but it doesn't stop there. Say I want to put this short out in the month of April, and I've said October there. Let's just go to video dub, and I have to agree to the terms here because it's going to change what I say and make it say it in my voice. This is crazy. I'm just typing April there. I click generate. And then we wait for Riverside's AI to do its magic. You can see it's using advanced AI technology and it's dubbing right now. Yes, it's making a clone of my voice and correcting what I said. Let's play.
The best one yet, and we're in the month of April.
Then maybe I can. That's crazy. That's me saying month of April. I never said the word April, and Video Dub inside Riverside corrected it for me. Now, before we jump into the second option, a huge favor to ask. I am aiming for 500,000 subscribers this year, and YouTube tells me I can't do it alone. I need your help. If you're watching this video, the chances are you're not already subscribed. I can see it in my YouTube studio. All I promise you in exchange is awesome quality videos like the one you're watching now every week. It's that simple. Smash the subscribe button and thank you. Okay, next up, let's talk about repurposing long-form content. If you create long-form content, you can easily use Riverside and its AI tools to make those into viral clips. You can either record using Riverside entirely, your whole long-form content, edit it, and upload what you've made. But I am going to show you an already uploaded video, which is this one I recorded just the other day. And in fact, it made a magic episode. That's Riverside's magic editor creating magical edits that make me look really good. So you'll see here I am in my studio recording. It looks really good, but this is not good for short-form content. So let's go back to the full episode. And now look at this. I've got my magic episode. This is the pre-edited version that's ready to upload to YouTube. We've got show notes with descriptions and keywords to put all around. It's really fantastic. But this is where the beauty lies. I've done a long form recording, but already it's made me 3 possible shorts I can upload out of the box, which is pretty cool. It also gives me a virality score up here. So this one has the highest rating. These are a little bit lower down. I like this one. It's all about OpenClaw, which is pretty hot. So let's go into the edit and we can look at how we can make a short out of long form content. Okay, you'll see it's taken my full long form video. It's made it absolutely perfect. It's made it vertical and it's just cut out the bit it thinks will go viral as a YouTube short, a TikTok, or an Instagram reel. So fantastic. Let's actually play this. And what I think makes OpenClaw distinct and unique, and you'll notice as I said that there's a little bit of B-roll because I've already gone in and done the same thing that I've just demonstrated to you, and that is add in some AI generated B-roll. It's a one-click solution. I didn't even need to add that B-roll. I could simply upload it. But I'm going to show you one more thing you can do with this repurposed long-form content. We don't have any subtitles, and we know that they work out quite well, so we'll just go over to captions, like so, and we can choose some captions that work. So something like this. And now I can choose this and I can move this around to wherever I think it'll look good on the screen. And let's go back to the start and play. And what I think makes OpenClaw distinct and unique is the fact that it connects to everyday apps. This is absolutely insane. So good. Now, if I want, I can go further and I can add a brand. I can add my logo, my color palette, different text styles. I can apply a brand that is appropriate to me to this whole short. It's really, really cool. When I'm happy with what I've produced here, maybe I want to make the captions a little bit bigger or choose a different font or style, I can do that. So let's go for this one instead. Let's go ahead and choose the lowercase or uppercase. I can do this. I can choose to have it on 3 lines if I want it like that. I can even increase the font size to extra large. The possibilities here are just endless. And then when I'm ready to get this to share, I can just click share and I can export the video. Or if I don't want to fiddle about with downloading video files and uploading them, I can simply go back out of this. And here is my magic clip. I can click share here and look at this. I can put it straight out to YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, wherever easily. This is how you can make shorts using AI tools such as Riverside. It's really, really simple. Let me know in the comments if you need any help with it. And YouTube is showing a video that you should watch next. I'll see you there.